Ever wanted to elevate your videos with a touch of class? Let's dive into Adobe Animate and create a captivating pen drawing signature animation. First, open Adobe Animate and create a new document. Set your desired dimensions. Next, select the brush tool from the Tools panel. On the left, choose your pen color and adjust the size for the signature. A size between 58 for the signature and 23 for the dots of the signature works best. In the timeline, add a new layer. Name this layer Signature. This is where you'll draw your signature. Use your mouse or a drawing tablet to carefully trace your signature or a chosen word on this layer using the brush tool. Now, animate the signature. In the signature layer's timeline, add a frame at the beginning and another at the end where you want the animation to stop. Right-click on the last frame and choose Create Motion Tween. Go to the first frame and position the playhead there. Now, go to one of the intermediate frames of your timeline and move the playhead there. And use the selection tool to select the signature. Delete the beginning of the signature so it does not appear. Scrub the playhead to see the animation, or press Enter or space to preview it. Now, use File, then Export, and then Export Video Media to create your MP4 video. There you have it. Your elegant pen drawing signature animation is complete. Use this effect to personalize your videos. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more creative tutorials.